Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Discord is not working on your iPhone or if it keeps crashing. So if the Discord is not working in your iPhone in iOS 17 or 16, then I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step always would be try to quit app and reopen the app. It's a simple step that you can fix this. You can open the app switcher of your iPhone, close the app completely, and then open the app again to see if it start working. And if it's still not working, then move on to the next step. The next step would be restart your iPhone. A simple restart sometimes can fix your iPhone. This can give a iOS system fresh start. You can press the volume up and power button and then slide to power off. Shut down your iPhone, wait for 15 seconds, then turn on your iPhone again and open the Discord app to see if it start working. And if it's still not working, then move on to the next step. The next step is check for new update for Discord. For that you can go to your app store and then simply search for Discord, and if you see update option here, make sure that you click on it and update your app to see if the problem is resolved. And after updating the app, if the problem is still there, then the next step would be update your iPhone to the latest iOS. For that you can go to settings, click on general, click on software update, and if you see any update available here, make sure that you download and install that update in your iPhone. So after updating your iPhone, and if you still have the problem, then the last step would be reinstall the app. You can reinstall app in settings, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and then go look for Discord, click on it, click on offload app, and then click on reinstall app and go back to the home screen, and the app will start reinstalling. After this your problem will be resolved. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.